Hi, we're up at the block and we've been working our butts off. The grinder guy is coming tomorrow. The guy, he's grinding the concrete. We didn't find him on Grinder. Sorry, that's silly. Okay, so we had to clean up the floor because the concrete grinder is coming and he is gonna grind the concrete. So we have done some cleaning. We moved pallets of tiles, pallets of Vesa blocks, and all kinds of wood, and I'll show you on a really quick hyperlapse.